Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Hi, and welcome to this lesson on how to play Happy Birthday. As soon as you're ready, put yourself into playing position and let's get started. To play this song, you'll need to know how to play a D chord, an A chord, and a G chord. The song is 4 lines long and I'll be teaching it to you 1 line at a time. Line 1, we'll be playing a D chord and an A chord. Sing the first line as you would normally, playing a D chord on the word birthday and an A chord on the word you. Let me demonstrate. Happy birthday to you. Line 2, we'll be playing an A chord, then a D chord. Sing the second line as you would normally, playing an A chord on the word birthday and the D chord on the word you. Let me demonstrate. Happy birthday to you. Line 3, we'll be playing a D chord followed by a G chord. Sing line 3 as you would normally, playing a D chord on the word birthday and a G chord on the person's name. Let me demonstrate. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Line 4, we'll be playing D, A, D. This line is very easy to remember because the 3 chords spell the word dad. D, A, D. To play line 4, simply sing the line as you would normally, playing a D chord on the word birthday, an A chord on the word to, and a D chord again on the word you. Let me demonstrate. Happy birthday to you. Watch this video again to review and practice each line as many times as possible. You'll get better and better each time you play it. When you've practiced each line separately, put all 4 lines together and play the entire song. This is a very important song to learn because every day someone somewhere is having a birthday, which means you'll have many opportunities to play this song for people. Even if the birthday person isn't with you physically, you can always record yourself playing it and send it to them. It will make them feel very special and it will make their birthday a very happy one for sure. Don't worry if your playing or your singing isn't perfect. It really doesn't matter. It will spread warmth and affection, which is what really matters. Congratulations, keep up the good work, and see you next lesson.